Who don't know about Dosti Roti? Let me show you. This is the size of the loaf for the Dosti Roti, right? Smaller than. Good day, everybody. Welcome to Shanty home, the Chulha Queen in Siparia. So I'd like everybody to welcome to my kitchen. I put in a little brown sugar. The brown sugar is to have your roti very soft and nice. This is my salt. I add in a little salt here. And this is my baking powder. A little baking powder in here. Now this flour, I put in a little piece of cookie in here, a little piece of lard. Right, so you're mixing up this here. Adding your water in here. Now this flour have to be different to the other's flour, right? That is, it have to be soft. This is how Shanty, all you need in a little flour like this. So, soft and nice. So bring some dry flour here now and you're going to throw back this here now. And sprinkle it down. Some people use oil, but I don't use oil. I use a little water to stick my flour together. When you do it like how I show you, it is be nice. You see how it coming back and it get wet? So we get wet and nice there. Yeah, then back and next to the flour again. Who want to use the oil, they could. Who are custom, but when you train from small, you go to take your training from small, you have to do it how you train. So this now going on soak here. So when they soak a little bit, I will show you. This is for the Dosti Roti. Who don't know about Dosti Roti? Let me show you. This is the size of the loaf for the Dosti Roti, right? Smaller than so one Dosti. Two. Right. Put in this here. So this is how the Dosti Roti go. Right? So you put your oil, your butter on top of this. Then you open the next one. Stick it. Make sure the ends stick. That is what they call. It have all different names for roti. It has name for bus up shot, it has name for Dosti Roti, it has name for paratha. So this is a Dosti Roti here. Right? You can put all in one together. So when I'm cooking it, I want all you to take a look at how Shanty cooking. We get one extra piece of flour, but we have place for that extra piece of flour. Right. So that's the Dosti Roti. When this cook, I want customers to see how this is going to come out. This is the Dosti Roti. So like this. more longer your flour stays more soft and wonderfully come out, right? So this is two roti. This is the Dosti Roti. Going at it. Right, fireside could do anything all you want to do in this simple fireside. You're cooking a complete meal in this, and it's not plenty heat. You might get a little piece of bad material, it might smoke a little bit, but you could change it. So you add some oil and the Dosti Roti. Yeah, I use the enamel cup because I don't want to use the thing. I want to do it like the old time days to show the people. Right. So this one is the different roti to our subject. This is Dosti Roti. Right, so this one going to cook. This one is not to mash up, customers. So this one, this one. Mostly your end be thin, very thin and nice. If you find it you can't reach to be like thin, you could do it on the tawa with a cup. So the cup iron on the ends, so the ends get thin. This one is the Dosti Roti. Here. So what this one is the Dosti Roti, look at it. Let me show you. See, this is two roti. Watch it. Open out. Wonderful and nice. See? Nice Dosti Roti. That's not a bus shot. So I want to get a little brown. Then I'll take down. This one is not to mash up. Bus shot is the mash up one. So, out. I don't want too much heat in my roti to cook. A little medium, small fire. Come on now, do it right. So with this one coming down like this. So this one is eating roti, right? This one finished.